Love your hair the natural way. Beautiful hair starts with care. We all want healthy, shiny hair. Sometimes expensive products don't work. Natural ingredients can be amazing for your hair. Natural ingredients are like food for your hair. They make your hair strong and shiny. They can help with many hair problems. Let's learn how to use them. Coconut oil is a wonderful gift from nature. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various hair problems. Rich in fatty acids, it penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense moisture and nourishment. It makes hair soft and strong. Regular use of coconut oil can help reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair, making it an excellent conditioner that leaves your hair feeling silky and smooth. It can make your hair grow longer and thicker. By improving scalp health and reducing hair breakage, coconut oil promotes hair growth, giving you the luscious locks you've always dreamed of. Eggs are full of protein. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients like biotin, vitamin B12, and folate, which are crucial for maintaining healthy hair. Protein is essential for hair growth. Applying an egg mask can strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and add volume to your hair, making it look fuller and healthier. It makes hair less likely to break. The protein in eggs helps repair damaged hair, making it more resilient and less prone to split ends and breakage. Apple cider vinegar is a natural conditioner. It balances the pH level of your scalp, removes buildup, and detangles hair, leaving it soft and manageable. It makes hair shiny and smooth. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps to smooth the hair cuticle, giving your hair a natural shine and a sleek appearance. It also helps with itchy scalp. By maintaining the scalp's natural acidity, apple cider vinegar can alleviate dandruff and itchiness, promoting a healthy scalp environment. Let's make a coconut oil hair mask. Coconut oil is known for its deep conditioning properties and can help nourish your hair from root to tip. Warm up 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Heating it slightly will help it penetrate your hair more effectively. Massage it into your scalp and hair. Make sure to cover every strand for maximum benefits. This will help stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Leave it on for 30 minutes. This gives the oil enough time to deeply condition and repair your hair. Wash your hair with shampoo. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove all the oil. Now let's try an egg hair mask. Eggs are rich in protein and can help strengthen your hair. Beat 1 egg in a bowl. Whisk it until it's well mixed. Apply it to your scalp and hair. The protein in the egg will help repair damaged hair and add shine. Leave it on for 20 minutes. This allows the nutrients to be absorbed by your hair. Rinse it out with cool water. Cool water helps to seal the hair cuticle, making your hair look shiny and smooth. Finally, the apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH of your hair and scalp. Mix 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. This dilution is important to avoid any irritation. After shampoo and conditioner, pour this mixture over your hair. It helps to remove any product buildup and adds a natural shine. Rinse it out with water. Your hair will feel refreshed and look incredibly shiny. Follow this routine regularly for the best results. Section 4. The Magic Touch Coconut Oil, Egg, and Apple Cider Vinegar. These 3 natural ingredients are powerhouses when it comes to hair care. Coconut oil is like a magic potion for your hair. Rich in fatty acids, it penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense hydration. It moisturizes your hair deeply, leaving it nourished and revitalized. It makes it soft and manageable, reducing frizz and making it easier to style. Regular use of coconut oil helps your hair grow long and strong, promoting healthy hair growth and reducing hair loss. Eggs are like little protein packs for your hair. They are rich in proteins and nutrients that are essential for hair health. They make your hair strong from the roots, fortifying each strand and adding volume. They prevent breakage and split ends, ensuring that your hair remains healthy and resilient. Apple cider vinegar is a natural shine booster. It helps to remove product buildup and restore the natural luster of your hair. It balances the pH of your scalp, creating an optimal environment for hair growth and reducing dandruff. It makes your hair smooth and shiny, giving it a healthy, glossy finish that looks and feels amazing. Section 5. Mask Application. Tips and tricks. Apply the masks to clean damp hair. Use a shower cap to cover your hair after applying the mask. This helps the mask penetrate your hair better. Rinse the masks thoroughly with cool water. Hot water can make your hair dry. You can use these masks once or twice a week. Section 6. Embrace the shine. Healthier hair awaits. Natural ingredients are the key to healthy, shiny hair. Coconut oil, egg, and apple cider vinegar are powerful ingredients. They can transform your hair. Try these DIY hair masks and see the difference. You'll love your shiny, healthy hair.